Imagine this. The immigration office sends you a letter, but you never received it. Maybe you changed your address or letter got lost, and suddenly your visa extension got delayed or rejected. And now imagine getting the same message on your mobile phone, legally, securely, and with proof of delivery. That's exactly Databox does in Czech Republic. Hey guys, Aniket here. In today's video, we are starting a full Databox masterclass where I explain how Databox works in very simple way, especially for foreigners, students and non-technical users. So what exactly is Databox? In simple language, Databox is a secure digital mailbox that lets you send and receive official messages from the government. Think of it like email but for fun and Databox but for legal stuff. Every message in Databox is legally valid. It's like sending a registered letter from post office but instantly and free. When ministry, municipality, tax office or immigration office needs to contact you, they can send messages directly to your Databox. Czech Republic is one of the most digitalized country in Europe when it comes to government services. They introduced Databox to reduce paper, speed up official communication, avoid people missing important letters and make everything traceable and transparent. Every message has a timestamp and delivery confirmation called legally providing that you received it. Now the big question is, do you need a data box? It's mandatory for all companies, self-employed people running certain professions, but it's optional for normal individuals, foreign students and employees. But it is highly recommended, especially for foreigners. If the immigration office sends you a message through Databox, it is considered delivered even though you didn't open it. This is introduced to 10-day rule, which brings us to the next section. This is extremely important. If a government office sends you a message in your Databox, the system waits 10 days. If you open it, great. If you don't open it, the system automatically marks it as a delivered anyway. This is called a fiction of delivery. Imagine you are on a vacation in India. The immigration sends you a request. You don't open the Databox. 10 days pass. By law, you have received the request. You didn't reply, so they reject your application. This actually happens. There are three types of data boxes. Personal data box for individuals. Business data box for automatically created when you get Zipnos. That is a trade license. And the company data box. Automatically created when you open an SRO. If you are a student or an employee, you will need a personal one. If you are a freelancer or a business owner, you will need both. Some of the benefits of the data box are no post office visits, instant delivery, safe and official, attach documents easily, works with immigration, tax office and municipalities, 100% free for receiving government messages. Basically, Databox removes stress. You receive all the official documents at one place. In the next episode, I will tell you how to create a Databox from scratch, either by using a bank ID or going to Checkpoint. So make sure you subscribe it so you don't miss it. And that's it for now. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.